Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings in home security systems. The Zosi H.265 plus 5 megapixels 3K Lite CCTV DVR 8-channel full 1080p. If you're serious about protecting your home or business, stick around because this might just be the system for you. Let's kick things off with what makes this system stand out. The Zosi DVR supports up to 8 channels and boasts a powerful 5 megapixels resolution. What does that mean for you? Crystal clear video quality that captures every detail, whether it's day or night. Installation is a breeze with its hybrid capability, supporting analog, AHD, TVI, and CVI cameras. Plus, it's equipped with eye-powered motion detection. This isn't just your average motion sensor. It can differentiate between humans and vehicles, cutting down on false alarms. Want to keep an eye on things while you're away? The Zosi system offers remote access via the Zosi Smart app. Check in on your property from anywhere, anytime. You can even review footage and receive real-time alerts on your smartphone. When it comes to storage, this DVR supports up to 6 terabytes of internal memory. And with its advanced H.265 plus compression technology, you can store more video without compromising on quality. That means fewer hard drives to manage and more peace of mind. Wrapping it up, the Zosi H.265 plus 5 megapixels 3K Lite CCTV DVR 8-channel security camera system is a powerhouse in home surveillance. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or starting fresh, its versatility and reliability make it a top choice. Interested in learning more or ready to purchase? Check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and informed with Product Critique.